In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Make.com. Whether you're looking to automate your workflow or ensure seamless data integration, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started with a basic setup in Make. First, you'll want to create a new scenario. This is essentially the workspace where you'll be designing your task or automation process. It's like setting up a new project file where you'll manage how everything interacts and functions. With your new scenario ready, the next step is to add the Google Drive module. You'll start by clicking the plus sign to add a module to the scenario. In the search bar, type in Google Drive and select it from the list of options that appear. You'll see several popular modules you might choose from, like Watch Files and Folder, which keeps an eye on any changes within a specific folder, or Upload a File, which, as you might expect, helps you upload files to Google Drive. Additionally, there are modules for Create Folder, Download File, and even specific search functions like Search Files, Folders. Once you've selected a module that fits your needs, it's time to create a connection. Inside the module panel, you'll notice a prompt to create a connection. Click on it and you'll be redirected to sign in with Google. At this point, a Google pop-up will open to facilitate the login process. Now you'll need to select the Google account you want to connect. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that corresponds to the Google Drive you intend to use. Usually, the email will be displayed, something like your name at gmail.com. After selecting the account, proceed to enter your email address, password, and any two-factor authentication code, if you have this security feature enabled. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate to avoid login issues. Next, Google will ask for various permissions. This step is absolutely necessary as it allows Make to interact with your Google Drive. The permissions typically include viewing files, uploading files, and managing folders. You'll have a button to click labeled either Allow or Continue. By clicking this, you're providing Make the authorization it requires to access and work with your Drive files, enabling you to create dynamic and efficient workflows. With permissions granted, the connection is automatically completed by Make. This means that you've successfully linked Google Drive to your Make account, and you should see confirmation of this connection within the platform. You're now ready to create sophisticated workflows and automations according to your needs. That wraps up our tutorial today on connecting Google Drive to Make.com. Remember, this connection opens up a world of possibilities in automating your tasks and managing your data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in establishing your own productive automation systems.